All right, so this is short answer. Okay, Unit 3, short answer.
You finally got the little network thing.
The network thing?
Yeah, remember you said
You're ruining the recording of the video.
Okay. Anyway, all right. Okay, so for this problem right here, I'm going to start off with the latitude of New York City is 41 degrees north. Okay, while that of Lima's Peru is 12 degrees south. The radius of the Earth is 6,400 kilometers. Find north-south distance in between the two cities. Now, first thing, I need the formula for this. Are we looking for the arc length? Say yes.
Yes.
So what's the arc length formula?
S equals R theta.
R theta, and theta has to be in?
Radians.
Thank you. Has to be in radians. Now, I'm going to start off with, I'm going to draw a picture of the Earth. I know it's kind of wonky. It looks kind of like the Forever Alone guy, but still. All right. So, here's the equator. 41 degrees north would be, say, up. There we go. Up 41 degrees. Oh. I know.
start it.
At least I'm not like Ralphing on this thing. All right, help me out. So right here, this says 12 degrees south. So where does that go? Down. Down. Get down. All right, so 12 degrees south. So I want to find for the arc length of here to here, how many degrees? What is my theta going to be here? 53. Why did we get 53? 53 degrees because they're going apart from each other, right? So I'm going to show you another one real quick before I go too far. So if I did this and I had 41 north and then I had 12 degrees north, I wanted to find the distance in between these two, what would I do? Okay, so this would be 41 minus 12, right? Okay, because they're north and south, that's why they're apart. This one is north and north, we would have to end up subtracting.
60 was south, right?
Yeah. So drawing a picture of the Earth, cross-section, to show this is, I think it's very helpful. All right, now, we know that theta has to be in what? Radians. So I'm going to convert this real quick. So it's going to be 53 pi over 180. Bam. Radians. So, because all I did is just multiply by pi over 180, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So I multiply that. So now my R is...
53 pi over 180. Oh, never mind.
Thank you.
6,400.
So S equals 6,400 kilometers times 53 pi over 180. There we go. And we should get,
59.20.
so we get about 59.20, and that's going to be kilometers.
We don't need any decimals.
Nah. It doesn't say where to round to. It doesn't even say that. So I'm happy with whole kilometers. Make sense? Okay. Yes. All right. Now, a belt runs a pulley of radius 5 centimeters at 60 revolutions per minute. Keyword. Revolutions. Revolutions means what? 2 pi. So 2 pi times what? Nope, try again. 60, because every revolution is 2 pi. So it's going to be times 60. So for this one right here, this is going to give me 120 pi. Thank you. Rad. Why is it per minute? Because it says per minute, right? Because it's revolutions per minute. So we have rad per minute here, right? So there is already for my speed. This is going to go for my angular speed here, right? Okay, so now what we're looking for here, the next thing, that is my radius. So that's my R value, right? So find the angular speed. Angular speed is radians per second, right? Already right here, given this part, I have radians per minute, don't I? Okay, so if I already have radians per minute, what am I going to do? Okay, I'm going to go 120 pi divided by 60, right? Because I changed my minutes to seconds, right? So that's going to give me 2 pi rad per second. That's it. And this is my angular speed, and this is going to be my part A, right? Now my part B, find the linear speed. Linear speed is V. It's the V, right? Now, I have the W, and I have the R. Can I solve for the linear speed? So V equals RW. That's one of the formulas, right? So that's one of my formulas there. I'm going to go ahead and start plugging in. There we go. All right, so V equals R, which is R is 5, and W is 2 pi. Right? Because this is W. This is my W. This is my angular speed here. This is the angular speed, and my radius is right up here. So I come up with V is 10 pi. It's not rad. Centimeters per second, because linear speed goes with the linear distance. So my centimeters is my radius, right? Okay, so I have to look at the units on my centimeters here. Now, if you don't mark all your units correctly, that's going to be points off. Okay? So make sure you're paying attention and you talk about what it is you're doing. All right, now this is quite possibly going to be the easiest thing you've ever done. Yes, is the 6 trig function values. Okay, so sine theta is what?
Y over R.
Okay, easier than that. Nope, try it easier than that. Yes. Negative square root of 2 over 2. It is the y value, isn't it? It's the y value. The y value is that. Okay, you ready, Joseph? Cosine.
Equals x negative radical 2.
Good job, Nate.
I know, right? Okay, you ready, Joseph? Joseph. Okay, don't change your voice for this one. So, tangent theta is nope.
Oh my God.
No reciprocal there.
Oh, so it's just negative square root.
You're right. You're right. You're right. You're wrong. Come on, Joseph. Hey, I think he's asking me for help. Oh, 1? Why is it 1?
Because it's over itself, right?
Sine divided by cosine, right?
Yeah, it's over.
And they have the same thing, right?
Yeah.
So if it's the same thing, that's just going to give me a positive 1, right? There we go. So how about, let's do cosecant. That's the reciprocal of sine. That's the reciprocal of sine. So I'm going to take this one. It's going to be negative 2 over radical 2. Almost done. What do you got to do? Rationalize. It's going to be negative 2 radical 2 over, which 2's will cancel?
was 2.
Negative radical 2. So it's negative radical 2. What about secant? Okay, it's the same because it's the same. We're starting off with the same thing, right? So my answer is going to be cotangent. Okay, cotangent is what over what? X over y. So my answer is 1.